I just had the first lesson, which is preposition of time. Please look at the description below, the link to that lesson. Now, let's talk about preposition of place. But we do the intro first. In my lesson about preposition of time, we use 3 words, which is in, on, and at. This time, we will still gonna use those words with the preposition of place. We will start by using at. When you use the word at in preposition of place, you should be on that point where you are not moving. You're in that position. Now, I will give you 2 examples for you to understand. Here are the 2 examples using at. I will wait for you at the bus stop. Why at the bus stop? Because you are not moving. You are just at the bus stop. Second example is at the door. The Christmas tree is at the door. Why at the door? Because the Christmas tree is not moving. It's just at the door. Now, we will use the word in. It's very easy. In is short for inside. You are just in that 4 corners, like the box, in the box, right? Now, look at these 2 examples I will give you. First example is, please get money in my wallet. Why in my wallet? Because it's inside the wallet. Second example is, I work in an office. Why in an office? Because I am inside the office. And the last one is on. When we use the word on, we talk about surface, like on the chair, on the table. So, I'll give you 2 simple sample of sentences for you to understand it easily. First example is, please put the picture on the wall. On the wall. Wall is a surface. That is why on the wall. Next example is on the book. The pen is on the book. That means it is on the top of the book. Have you noticed a lot of native speakers saying on the bus, on the plane, on the train? Why? Very simple. I will give you the trick. When you say on bus, train, or plane, because you can walk. You can walk on the bus, you can walk on the train, and you can walk on the plane. But you cannot walk in the car. that is my lesson for you. It's a bonus lesson. So I hope you enjoyed and you understand how to use in, on, and at in preposition of place. That's all for now. I hope you enjoyed my lesson about preposition of place. And if you enjoyed it, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. I will give you more videos. Thank you so much. You're so awesome.